Ari. Oh no, Ari. Ari. You need to say more, please. Please. Say more. More. Ari. Do you want crackers? Crackers. Okay. Cracker. Crackers, that's right. Be careful. Uh-oh. Put it in your mouth. No. Ari, put it in your mouth, son. Please. Ari, say yay. Ari.
Yay!
Thank you. Is it your bedtime? Are you sleepies? Do you need a bath, Ari? Ari, do you need a bath? Please? Can you sign bath? Kind of like this. Go like this. Scrub this way. Like this with your little fingers. Scrub. Yeah. Say close enough, Mom. Give me a bath. Okay, say bye-bye. More crackers? You need to eat them, okay? Crackers, please. Bath. Oh, I'm so confused. I'm so tired. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. 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 Yay! There you go. Bye-bye. Good boy. Blow kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Good kisses. Thank you. Bye-bye, buddy.